In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a dashboard in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get your dashboard started so you can visualize your work more effectively. Let's begin with the very first thing you need to do, navigating to a space. In ClickUp, a space is a high-level area where related projects, lists, and tasks live together. Think of it as a container for a department, a team, or a major project. To create a useful dashboard, you want to be in the space that holds the work you care about tracking, so start by opening ClickUp and looking at your left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a list of your spaces. Choose the space where you want this new dashboard to live. For example, if you're tracking marketing campaigns, click into your marketing space. If you're organizing product development, open your product or engineering space. The key idea is the space you choose will help determine what information is most relevant when you build out your dashboard later. Once you've clicked into the space, you're ready for the next step using the Views bar at the top of the screen. The Views bar is where ClickUp lets you switch between different ways of looking at your work, like List View, Board View, Calendar, and of course Dashboards. It's located toward the top of the interface, running horizontally across your current space. Take a moment to scan the top Views bar. You should see any existing views for that space, like lists or boards. On that same bar, look for the option labeled Plus View. It's usually written with a plus sign followed by the word View. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to add a new way of looking at your tasks and data. Go ahead and click the Plus View button in the top Views bar. When you do, ClickUp will open a menu of all the different view types you can create. This is where dashboards live. You might see options such as List, Board, Calendar, Gantt, and others, depending on your workspace settings. From this menu, select Dashboard. ClickUp will then begin creating a new dashboard for you within the space you're currently in. At this point, you've successfully started the process of creating a dashboard. After you select Dashboard, ClickUp will typically prompt you to name your new dashboard and may offer some basic customization options. This is your chance to choose a clear, descriptive name like Marketing Overview, Team Performance, or Sprint Summary, so everyone on your team immediately understands what this dashboard is for. From here, you can start adding widgets, charts, and other elements, but the core setup is exactly what you've just done. Navigate to the right space, use the Views bar at the top, click the Plus View button, and choose Dashboard from the list. To quickly recap, first, open the space where you want to manage or monitor your work. Second, at the top of that space, find the Views bar and click the Plus View option. Third, from the list of available views, select Dashboard to create your new dashboard. Once that's done, you're ready to customize it with whatever data and visualizations you need to keep your team aligned and informed.